I can never go back to you. But what's another night worth to you? Now it's a shade of blue. I'm a lovesick afternoon. But I can never go back. Would you? Would you? Yeah, I hate it when I miss that.
Say hi, guys. Hi, I'm Jacka. And today, samahan niyo kami ng family ko sa aming grocery day every Sunday. Ayan, naka-ready na yung cart. At syempre, ako yung designated driver ng cart. Honestly, ito yung bonding namin na simple pero ang saya. Walang pressure, chill lang, at di mo mawala yung kwentuhan habang paikot-ikot. Alam mo yung feeling na konti lang sana, tapos biglang napapansin mo, uy, parang dumadami na. Classic. Ganito talaga pagkasamang pamilya. Walang pipigil sa dagdag mo na yan energy. Ayan sila oh, busy na busy. Ako naman, tuloy lang sa pag-push. Parang life. Go lang kahit medyo mabigat na. Char. We're na Mr. DIY, guys. Where's our team? He went home na yan.
Ate, ano maganda daw?
Daalan for what?
Sa taas lang
Syempre
nakapayong.
pink! What you got? What you got? How much?
It's off at 600.
For real?
It's
This
wired.
this one.
I mean, it's
Still
wireless.
expensive. Hi guys, we're going home na.
Saan ba tayo nakapag?
Yun. The only one left. So awkward. As a student, hindi ako yung perfect. I get tired, I get distracted, and minsan napapaisip din kung kaya ko pa ba? But, I'm the kind of student who keeps on showing up. Kahit hindi perfect yung araw ko, I still try. When it comes to my mental health, I learned na hindi pwedeng puro aral lang. I take breaks. I breathe. I step back when things get too overwhelming. I allow myself to rest without guilt. Alam ko namang ginawa ko best ko eh. I'm still learning, still growing, but I'm proud of myself for not giving up. Because being a student isn't about being perfect. It's about choosing to continue every single day.
reality upuan mo.
Sa Pilipinas. Tama ka sa amin sa Pilipinas. Ay, sorry. Nakapon na ako dito.
Hello?
Here's a treasure.
Dati pa lang. You guys know what? Paggawa ulit ng vlogs made me realize something. It made me realize how much I miss this. And guys, fun fact. The last vlog ko pa was way back ng grade 11. That was like 2-3 years ago? Basta, let's just say, she disappeared and went through character development. Actually, na-busy lang talaga. It also reminded me why I started vlogging in the first place. Hindi lang siya about views or anything. It's really about capturing memories. Expressing myself and just having fun. Parang mini time capsule. Kahit medyo magulo yung plot. So, ayun. Welcome back to my vlogger era. From grade 11 vlogs to present era. We're back and slightly more stressed. But, still trying. Sana tuloy-tuloy na to and hindi na ulit ako mawala na parang multo after one upload.
Kanino ba ako? Kayo ka. Sabi na eh, Jimmy.
Hey guys, it's me again. So, ipapakita ko what I do kapag wala akong academic responsibilities. Which, super rare. Like, super rare. Usually, I just chill. Like, scroll sa phone, watch random videos, tapos biglang 2 hours na pala. Time management, But lately, I've been making content from my affiliate account. Like, product reviews, random finds, or get ready with me. Ganon. Honestly, ang saya niya kasi it doesn't feel like work. Until mag-edit ka na. Ayun na yung mahirap. If you wanna check it out, feel free lang. I post mga boodle finds, so enter at your own risk. Okay? Di ako responsible if mapagastos kayo. So ayun, that's basically my life kapag free ako. Rest, content productivity, and content creation.
Meron sa mga white phone. 25?
Parang medyo nag-green.
Parang wala. Sa oxidation yan.
Wala po yan.
Great.
My dad shared.
Ba yan? Puro kayo na laman ng vlog ko.
Pero magreklamo, saan mo si Ian? Hello! Wait lang, naiyak ko.
Now that you've seen a glimpse of my week, that would basically summarize the question of who am I as a person. Someone who tries, kahit hindi laging madali. Someone who keeps going, kahit may doubts, pagod, at challenges. I'm not perfect, but I'm learning to be patient with myself and to appreciate even the small wins along the way. Kasi a win is a win, no matter how small. To learn and cope, I stick to simple things. Taking down notes and giving myself time to rest when needed. Minsan I pause, I breathe, and I reset. Kasi hindi naman race ang lahat eh. Okay lang mag-slow down. Basta hindi susuko. In our current situation, I realize na life can be so unpredictable and not everything goes as planned. But I also learned that growth happens in the middle of uncertainty. Na kahit mahirap, there's always something to be grateful for and something new to learn. So, I keep showing up. I keep trying. One day at a time. And maybe that's enough. For now at least.